Wang Chuqin is the world #1. He is the best player right now. However, recently, Wang Chuqin has lost many matches. He lost to Ander Lins, and recently, he also lost to Faraji.
He's done it, and there's only gone.
This is the first time in the history that the world #1 is easy to be defeated like that. After losing the match, Wang Chuqin is training very hard with his coach. It is a very tough training to improve the forehand power and the footwork of Wang Chuqin. What do you think about this? Personal coach of Wang Chuqin wants to improve the power problem of Wang Chuqin. Maybe he is too tired due to over-competition.
Lose. I win, no play. Video.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.